turned 49 today, but while he managed to cut his cake as per tradition with the media, the morning certainly wasn't just saccharine for the actor, who had to tackle questions ranging from bulletproof cars to political campaigns. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Aamir Khan's birthday meet and greet with the media may have started on a sweet note, but as the actor no doubt expected, it didn't remain saccharine. So after the usual rounds of questions on his wishes for the year ahead and his fitness secrets,
सबसे पहले विश तो मुझे किरण जी का मिला। लोगों का प्यार है और जो मुझे जीन्स मिले हैं अपने पेरेंट्स से, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं हेल्दी लाइफ जीऊँ।
It was time to face the tougher questions. Aamir clearly came to the meet and greet determined to be politically correct. But the media, even if it was his birthday, weren't going to let Aamir off easy.
जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं किसी पॉलिटिशियन या पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के लिए कैंपेन नहीं करता और ना मैं करूँगा। मुझे लगता है कि ये एक डेमोक्रेसी है और हर इंसान को खुद तय करना चाहिए। आई डोंट वांट टू इन्फ्लुएंस एनीबडी। हर आदमी अपना डिसीजन खुद ले और सोच समझ के वोट करें।
But when it came to his detractors, at least, Aamir chose not to play it safe. Satyamev Jayate Season 2 has ruffled more than a few feathers, and while there were reports that Aamir had as a result acquired a bulletproof car, the actor soon set the record straight.
हमने हमारी जो सीजन 2 की शुरुआत हमने घेलोर से की, दशरथ मांझी के गांव से की, और उसकी वजह यही थी क्योंकि हम भी दशरथ मांझी जी से इंस्पिरेशन लेके, प्रेरणा लेके हम भी उसी तरह काम करना चाहते हैं कि चाहे लोग हमको हमारे बारे में झूठ फैलाएं, चाहे हमें डिफेम करने की कोशिश करें, बदनाम करने की कोशिश करें, लेकिन हम उससे या हमें डराने की कोशिश करें, हम उससे ना डर के, कुछ लोग हंसते भी हैं हम पे, उससे ना डिस्टर्ब होके, ना कंफ्यूज होके हम लोग अपने रास्ते पे लगे रहें। ये हमारी कोशिश है, इसलिए हमने हमारा सीजन 2 वहीं से अनाउंस किया था। No, it's not. It's not.
Clearly, after being put through the ringer with heavy-duty questions, it's little wonder that Aamir wasn't too flustered at all over reports of Bombay Velvet and PK releasing together. Apparently approached you and asked you and Rajendra to change the dates, but that's not happening.
No, he's not approached me. He's not approached me. And I don't know which other films are releasing on that day. But I've always felt that, films have space. There's so many theaters. 2 films, 3 films can release in the same day. There's no problem. And if the films are good, then both will do well.
Yes, he may not have had a chance to really have his cake and eat it too at this press conference, but with a very full plate, Aamir clearly doesn't want to bite off more than he can chew. NDTV Bureau Report.